Hi guys, this is Kiran Kumar. You are watching Tech Vega Channel. In this video, I am not going to talk about any technical topics. This video is just to share about myself. Friends, I just started a new channel. On this channel, I am going to make videos about technical topics as well reviews too. Friends, on Tech Vega Channel, I will explain about technical website, new launch mobile phones, gadget, computer hardware, software and engineering. I know what you guys are thinking. These things every YouTubers will do the same. What is so special on your channel? Yes, you guys are right. Every YouTubers do same. But on this Tech Vega channel, I'll give you a brief explanation point to point and I'll assist you guys in a right way by giving a genuine reviews. As well, I'll help you with a professional explanation on your doubts and questions. I hope you guys think this channel is useful for your knowledge. Please subscribe to my channel and hit bell icon. Thank you so much. Goodbye.